Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to add a thread to your Instagram story on Android using the Threads app. Firstly, make sure that you have downloaded and installed the Threads application on your smartphone. Once you have installed the app, open it up and log in using your Instagram account details. Next, choose the thread that you want to add to your Instagram story. You can do this by scrolling through your Threads list and selecting the one you want to share. Once you have selected your desired thread, tap on the share icon that appears below the thread. This icon looks like an arrow pointing upwards from a square box. You will then see a list of sharing options, including Add to Story. Tap on this option to add the thread to your Instagram story. The Threads app will then open your Instagram account and prompt you to set up your story. You can add stickers, text, and other elements to your story as you normally would. Once you are happy with your story, tap on the Share button to post it to your Instagram account. Your followers will then be able to view your story, including the thread that you have added to it. And that's it. Adding a thread to your Instagram story using Threads is quick and easy. It's a great way to share your conversations with your friends and followers, and keep them up to date with what's going on in your life. So give it a try and let us know how it works for you in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more awesome tips and tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.